Some of the most iconic truck engines in history are living on borrowed time. By the end of 2026, several engines that have powered millions of trucks across America will be gone for good. These are 5 truck engines that will not survive 2026. Say your goodbyes now. Number 5. Nissan VK56 5.6-liter V8. The Nissan 5.6-liter VK56 V8 is quietly disappearing from the global market, and most people will not even notice it is gone. This engine powered the Nissan Titan, Armada, and Patrol for over 2 decades. When Nissan discontinued the Titan after the 2024 model year, it removed the last North American truck application for this engine. The Armada moved to a twin-turbo V6 for its redesign. The only vehicle still using the VK56 anywhere in the world is the Y62 Nissan Patrol sold in Australia and New Zealand, and that model is scheduled to end production by the close of 2026. The VK56 was never the most celebrated truck V8 on the market. It lived in the shadow of the Hemi, the Coyote, and the Toyota iForce, but it was a solid, capable engine that made up to 400 horsepower and gave Nissan a legitimate presence in the full-size truck segment. Its departure marks the end of Nissan's V8 era entirely. The company has made it clear that turbocharged 6-cylinder and electrified powertrains are the future. Once the last Patrol rolls off the line, the VK56 joins the growing list of naturally aspirated truck V8s that the industry has left behind. Number 4. Ford F-150 Lightning Electric Powertrain. This one is not a traditional engine, but it powered one of the most talked about trucks of the decade, and it is already dead. Ford officially ended production of the F-150 Lightning in December of 2025. The dual-motor electric powertrain that made the Lightning a legitimate competitor in the full-size truck market will not carry forward into any future Ford truck in its current form. Ford has pivoted entirely away from pure battery electric trucks and toward extended range electric vehicles that pair a battery with a gas-powered generator. The Lightning's electric powertrain produced up to 580 horsepower and 775 pound-feet of torque in its top configuration. It was capable and quick. It won multiple awards including MotorTrend's 2023 Truck of the Year, but demand collapsed as EV tax credits disappeared, charging infrastructure remained inadequate in rural areas, and the price climbed past $60,000 for the cheapest retail model. Ford sold roughly 27,000 Lightnings in 2025 before pulling the plug. The planned successor, codenamed Project T3, was delayed repeatedly and then canceled outright. The Lightning's electric powertrain is done. Whatever Ford builds next will be a fundamentally different machine. Number 3. Toyota 5.7-liter iForce V8. The Toyota 5.7-liter iForce V8 already left the truck world when the second-generation Tundra ended production after the 2021 model year, but the engine itself did not die completely. Toyota continued using the closely related 5.0-liter 2UR variant in the Lexus LC500 coupe. That vehicle is now confirmed to be discontinued by the end of 2026, which means the entire UR family of Toyota V8 engines will be gone from production entirely. This is a significant moment because the UR engine family represents the last chapter of Toyota's V8 history. The 5.7 powered the Tundra, Sequoia, Land Cruiser, and Lexus LX for over 14 years. It produced a documented million-mile truck. It gave the Tundra a 30% chance of reaching 250,000 miles according to iSeeCar's data. It was one of the most reliable V8 engines ever built, and Toyota replaced it with a twin-turbo V6 that has already been recalled on over 100,000 trucks for catastrophic engine failure. The 5.7 deserved a better send-off than it got. When the last LC500 rolls off the line later this year, it will mark the end of an era for Toyota V8 power. Number 2. GM 5.3-liter V8 L87 Gen 5 small block. The GM 5.3-liter V8 has been the workhorse of the Chevrolet Silverado and GMC Sierra lineup for over 2 decades. In various forms, this small block V8 has powered more half-ton trucks than almost any other engine in history, but the current Gen 5 version, designated the L84, is reaching the end of its production life. General Motors has invested nearly $2 billion into retooling its engine plants at Tonawanda, Flint, and St. Catharines for a 6th-generation small block V8 family that begins production in 2027. The new 5.7-liter V8 will replace the 5.3 as GM's standard truck V8. The L845 5.3 is leaving behind a complicated legacy. Earlier versions of this engine without cylinder deactivation were some of the most reliable truck engines GM ever built, but the addition of active fuel management and later dynamic fuel management introduced the lifter failure epidemic that has plagued GM truck owners for years. Collapsed lifters, wiped camshaft lobes, and $5,000 to $10,000 repair bills became a defining characteristic of the engine in its later years. The 5.3 earned both legendary praise and widespread frustration depending on which generation you owned. The Gen 6 replacement is expected to produce around 400 horsepower from 5.7 liters of displacement. Whether GM has solved the cylinder deactivation reliability issues remains to be seen, but one thing is certain: the 5.3-liter displacement that has been a staple of GM trucks since the early 2000s will be gone from the new truck lineup by the end of 2026. If you want a 5.3 Silverado or Sierra, the window to buy one is closing fast. Number 1. GM 6.2-liter V8 L87 Gen 5 small block. The GM 6.2-liter V8 L87 is not just dying, it is being put out of its misery after one of the most disastrous reliability records of any modern truck engine. General Motors recalled approximately 721,000 trucks and SUVs equipped with this engine from the 2021 through 2024 model years due to connecting rod and crankshaft manufacturing defects that could cause complete engine failure with no warning. The NHTSA opened a separate investigation into an additional 286,000 vehicles stretching back to 2019 after receiving over 1,100 reports of engine-bearing failures. The L87 was supposed to be GM's premium half-ton truck engine. It produces 420 horsepower and 460 pound-feet of torque. It powers the Silverado, Sierra, Tahoe, Suburban, Yukon, and Cadillac Escalade. For years, it was the engine you upgraded to when you wanted the most power GM offered in a light-duty truck, but the recall has shattered its reputation. GM has struggled to supply replacement engines to dealerships, leaving owners stranded for weeks or months waiting for repairs. Some dealers have reported having 6 or more trucks sitting on their lots at the same time waiting for replacement L87 engines that are on indefinite back order. GM has confirmed that manufacturing improvements implemented before June of 2024 addressed the contamination and quality issues that caused the failures, but the damage to consumer confidence is done. The company has already announced that a new 6th generation 6.6 to 6.7 liter V8 will replace the 6.2 in the 2027 Silverado and Sierra. Leaked specs suggest the new engine could produce around 475 horsepower. The new engine recently debuted in the 2027 Corvette as the LS6, and GM described it as the start of the 6th generation of small block V8s. The L87 6.2 will be gone from new trucks by the end of 2026, and very few people will mourn its departure. The 6.2-liter displacement itself is not necessarily dead. GM may continue using the L87 in certain SUV applications through remaining inventory, but as a new truck engine option, the L87's run is over. It will be remembered as the engine that had serious potential but was undermined by manufacturing quality issues that cost GM hundreds of millions in recalls, warranty repairs, and lost customer trust. The Gen 6 replacement cannot come soon enough. 5 engines. 5 very different stories, but they all lead to the same conclusion. The truck engine landscape is changing faster than it has in decades. Naturally aspirated V8s are being replaced by turbocharged 6 cylinders and 4 cylinders. Electric powertrains that were supposed to be the future have already been canceled, and engines that should have lasted another decade are being killed early because the manufacturer could not get the quality right. For truck buyers, this means the window to own certain engines is closing. If you want a Toyota V8, the used market is your only option. If you want a 5.3 or 6.2 GM V8, the 2026 model year is your last chance to buy one new. And if you wanted a fully electric F-150, that ship has already sailed. The engines replacing them may turn out to be better, or they may bring a whole new set of problems. Either way, the engines on this list are living their final days. Appreciate them while they are still here. That wraps up the 5 truck engines that will die by the end of 2026. Drop a comment with which one you are most sad to see go and which replacement you are most skeptical about. Subscribe for more truck content built on real data. We will see you in the next one.